Hello, and this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech again with another review. We've been continuing on our microphone hunt for good microphones, starter microphones, and such things like that. Today I'm going to be reviewing a microphone that I've heard a lot about. It just came out. It's made by Raleno, and it's supposedly a very, very good mic for under $50. So let's check it out, and let's get to it. So I've heard a lot about this microphone by Raleno. It's a USB mic, so it plugs directly into a USB socket. And there's been a lot of recommendations about it. It's less than $50. Obviously, we're going to get the directions. Our microphone stand. So while we're unboxing it, let's talk about its specs. It's powered by 5 volts. It's got a polar pattern unidirectional microphone built into it, and has a frequency response of 20 its sensitivity is 34 decibels, and equivalent noise is 16 dB. Now, it has a 24-bit rate. Now, only the better microphones have a 24-bit rate, and to compare that with the other microphones that are out there, the other microphone that's 24-bit is the Yeti Pro, and it also has a sample rate of 192 kilohertz, which again is the same rate that you would find on the Yeti Pro. So it's the specs are on the high end rather than the low end. Now, what I notice is that this is which you can adjust very easily, and it comes with a 5-foot cord, USB plug-in. Now, you can either mount this on your desk like I'm installing it like now, or you could put it like I have a boom on my Yeti microphone, which I'm talking into now. Now, the other thing, of course, I don't know if you see it, it's got a Velcro piece here, which you could tie the cord up when you're done, get everything out of the way. And it has a volume control, which is highly sensitive, which you turn all the way to the left and you get down to mute. I'm going to set it in the middle to get started. I'll be right back with you. I'm going to plug it in, set it up, and we'll give this a good test. So, I put a foam filter on it. You would use some type of pop filter on it. I put a foam cover over it, or you could put a screen filter that goes in front of it. I have it on a level of 5, and right now, just with the level 5 right now, it is almost redlining the microphone, which is, I got to tell you, with 192 kilohertz and 48 bits, that gives it the same quality and level of sampling as a Yeti Pro. So let me just lower this down a little bit, down to a 3, and let's see where we're going. Much, much better on the microphone levels, and you can probably hear the difference. I'm going to pop it up to a level of 7, and I am redlining the microphone output right now on my OBS software. So I got to say, for a $50 microphone, this thing is performing like a $300 microphone, which makes this probably the best deal right now for a microphone that you could buy. So this Raleno microphone, I have to give it 5 stars. It is blowing me away in every way, shape, or form. Let me just go over a couple quick things. So when you compare this microphone to a $300 Blue Yeti Pro, this one has a lot of the same features and a lot of the same quality without the price. For less than $50, you're getting yourself quite a bargain. Of course, it's just a Cardioid microphone. And of course, the Blue Yeti Pro has other settings for different types of sound because it has 3 condensers, and this one only has 1. But I got to tell you, I give this a 5-star rating. It just is just so good. I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is amazing. I mean, if I was just starting out doing recording, or just starting in YouTube, or doing some type of thing, this might be my go-to microphone. So listen, until next time, you have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.